Hello and welcome to our video on the best pens for writing.
Writing is an essential part of our daily lives, and choosing the right pen is crucial to ensure a comfortable and efficient writing experience. In this video, we will explore some of the most popular types of pens and help you determine which one is best for your writing style.
Ballpoint pens. Ballpoint pens are one of the most common types of pens and are known for their reliability and durability.
They use a small rotating ball to transfer ink from the pen to the paper, creating a consistent line width. Ballpoint pens are great for everyday writing tasks such as note-taking, journaling, and filling out forms. They are often preferred for their convenience, as they don't require frequent refills and can write on a variety of paper types without smudging. Ballpoint pens are also known for their ability to write on carbon copies, making them ideal for business and administrative tasks.
Fountain pens. Fountain pens offer a more traditional and elegant writing experience.
They use a nib that draws ink from a reservoir, which is then delivered to the paper as the nib glides across it. Fountain pens offer a wide range of ink colors and types, and can produce a variety of line widths depending on the nib. They provide a smooth and effortless writing experience, and the slight resistance of the nib against the paper can be enjoyable for many writers.
Fountain pens are great for calligraphy, formal letter writing, and other applications where a more expressive writing style is desired.
While they require a little more maintenance, such as refilling ink and cleaning, many enthusiasts find the process part of the charm of using fountain pens. Additionally, fountain pens can be a more sustainable option, as they are often refillable and have longer lifetimes than disposable pens.
Gel pens. Gel pens use a water-based ink that's thicker and more viscous than ballpoint pen ink.
They produce a vibrant and colorful line that's great for artwork and other creative projects. Gel pens are also popular for writing on dark or glossy surfaces, as their ink tends to stand out more than other types of pens. They provide a smooth and effortless writing experience, similar to rollerball pens. Gel pens are available in a wide range of colors and are favored by those who enjoy adding a splash of creativity and personality to their writing. Gel pens can also be a good option for left-handed writers, as the ink dries quickly and reduces smudging.
Rollerball pens.
Rollerball pens use water-based or gel ink that flows more smoothly and produces a darker line than ballpoint pens. They have a similar design to ballpoint pens but use a smaller ball and thinner ink. Rollerball pens offer a smooth and consistent writing experience, making them great for fine detail work and producing bold, expressive lines. They are often favored by those who enjoy a combination of the smoothness of a fountain pen and the convenience of a ballpoint pen. Rollerball pens come in various colors and are suitable for both professional and creative writing tasks. In conclusion, the best pen for writing depends on your personal preferences and the task at hand.
Ballpoint pens are great for everyday writing tasks, providing reliability and durability. Fountain pens offer a more traditional and expressive writing experience.
Gel pens are ideal for artwork and creative projects, allowing for vibrant and colorful lines. Rollerball pens offer a smooth and consistent writing experience, making them suitable for fine detail work. When choosing a pen, consider factors such as the type of ink, line width, comfort, and the task you'll be using it for. With the right pen, you can improve your writing experience and achieve better results. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped you choose the best pen for your needs.